We call them, first of all, high-impact entrepreneurs because we tend to believe that impact is a bigger word than high growth, high potential. That's because impact means that entrepreneurs, first of all, this particular type of high-impact entrepreneurs have the capacity to generate tremendous amount of growth of an economy. They transform an industry, they transform the whole region. They have an amazing ability to create high-quality jobs. And I think more importantly than that, that's the direct measurement of the impact that an entrepreneur has. But much more important, a lot harder to measure, is the role model potential that they have on others. It's you can call it the Bill Gates effect. I firmly believe that Bill Gates has had a bigger impact in the world, not because of Microsoft and not because of his foundation, but because there are thousands of people saying, if he could do it from his garage, I can do it from my garage, right? That power of the role model is huge. Steve Jobs today, Mark Zuckerberg, those are amazing stories that everybody wants to follow up, I think. Not everybody, a lot of people.